Good day, hi again, welcome back, and I've got another review here for, well, unboxing actually, for this particular item that's supposed to solve my first world problems. This is the Camgo pole clamp phone holder for GoPro, new. Well, it's actually not for my GoPro, I don't know why it's called for GoPro. Just arrived today. Let's have a look. User manual. No user manual. That's okay. That's it. So, have a look at the superb design of this particular special clamp. Why do I need this clamp? Because when I live stream, I do need to monitor the feed on YouTube on my mobile phone. So I've got a iPhone 6 here to monitor the feed. So I cannot be holding on to the phone all the time while handling the camera, can I? So anyway, so I've been looking for something like this, and after much Googling, found it. So yep, it's a phone holder basically, but for a pole. That's it. So you can take this off. Also it's got that particular connection. Can't remember what it is, but I'll research it and put it in the description on what's it called. Is it 1/4 inch? Maybe, but I'll find out. Anyway, it's a common one that is available on tripods and tripod heads. Anyway, so I'm not going to do it that way. I'm going to use it this way. When you open up this part here, well, so you can put in the pole in between there, and then it'll just clamp it. Simple, simple, simple. Okay, let's have a look at when it's going to be how it's going to be installed on my tripod. Alright, positioning done. Oops. Alright, so there it is. Well, can go either way, I guess. Put it in. Simple as that. And clamp it. Whoops. I think this is just way too big. What do you reckon? Oh, it's got that padding there, so you can remove the padding. If you've got a smaller pole, or a bigger pole, then just remove that particular padding. That's a rubber padding. But besides that, now it can go in nicely. And oh, that's a clamp there. That's it. Too easy. So when it's like that, clamp it. Oh, it's a bit hard. Right. And I can do it, twist it this way. I can put my phone. Oops. Open up YouTube. And, well, put it in that mode. And, well, oh. Right, that's it basically. That's what you can do. Make my life a bit easier. Yes, first world problems. Right, so that's the clamp. Cheap. I think what, 20 bucks. Easy to take off also. The clamp looks like pretty strong. Yeah. What was it again? I got it from camgo.com.au, but through eBay actually. So 20 bucks or 19.95, and that's the job to hang on to my phone over a pole. That's it. Thank you very much for your viewership. Please like, subscribe, comment, whatever. Thank you. Bye.